going to show you how, my name is Jets. I'm going to show you how to plant pepper seeds. So you stick your hand in the dirt. You take this out and fold it up. Even more. And you even more. And you squish it down. And you even more. It gets all the way to the top. Yeah, and you put it back in. And you get another one out. And scoop some dirt in with your hand. Put it in. And you just try to put more in and more. And more. That's where you get all, and you push it down. You get it back in, and time for another one to put in that mold. And scoop some dirt up, and put it in a handful. And scoop more up, and you can put it in, and you pick more up, and we'll be done of this one. And you push it down. You take it back in. And time for another one. And you can scoop it up. Scoop another one up. Put more in. And then put another one in. You put another one in and put another one in. You fold this one in. Rest of your carts, and I'll be back. And I'll show you how. I'm going to show you how to plant these seeds. You pick a hole in, and one in, and go for the next one in, and another 3 in. There's only, count them, guys. Good job, guys. There's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Now let's put the seeds in. Now time for another one. And that's how you plant seeds. And that's it. And that's it, easy. And you go plant seeds too. Thumbs up.